Right. Yeah. So we have to define a list page here. Okay. Whenever you are mentioning any page name here, you have to mention that page in pages and classes, correct? Yeah. Go to pages and classes. Yeah. Mention case details list or case details list. To which class we have to map? We have already discussed at this part PXO business. No class must be code. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, every time I have to map code. Okay. Code. I fun bagger. I fun list. Yeah, even you don't remember good steps. Like every time I fed all. We need to see the page list. We need to go to the code. I will show you. Okay, code will be there. Okay, go to steps. I will show you. Yeah, click on that question mark. I can. Is there an help icon on the right side? Yeah, that I can. Let it load. Okay, it will open. For which a browse? Like. We will directly get this in the user page itself. Right. Before the user pages, before the PY work. You say, you have a good page, only we will get. Okay, come down. This is a object browse method. Okay, you see page name. Is there right page name? No, on the top itself. Yeah, page name. The enter a page name of destination page to contain search results. Whatever the results you are searching, that results will be stored on that particular page. Okay, the system uses code by a list as a class of this page. Every time you have to use code by a list, only that one you have to remember and you have to mention one more page there in pages and classes like case details, list, dot, px results. You have to mention like, this is a conventions. Okay, you have to blindly remember case details list. Is details list, dot px results. Dot p must be small. No, here only dot. P must be small. R must be capital. X must be small. No, X must be small. R must be capital. Results are yes, like if we are doing it to some other page. We shall even do it like, if at all. There is a page called name, then we need to write like name, dot px results. Yeah, and this one has to be mapped to your work class. Work class is there in go 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 go. Go 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 go. Go 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 go. You will get it. Click on down arrow. You will get it. Now go to steps. See, we have understand how to configure it. First of all, we are fetching a multiple records. So we are using OBJ browser. What values we are fetching? We are fetching pyd kseed. So you have given pyd. Pyd is present. In which table? Pyd is present in the table which is mapped to your work class. How do we know that in a clipboard? We are seeing it on that page. We are getting the details. So it is mapped to that particular table. Okay. Yeah. Now the results which you are fetching must store on some page on clipboard, right? We have to specify on which page you have to store the results. Correct. Yeah, that page is nothing but a case details list. Okay. Page name. You have given case details list. Save this activity. First, let's run this activity standalone and let's see whether you are getting a data. Yeah, click on Actions and run. Run is the first one. And click on Run again. Here you click on Run. Success rate closes window. Click on Clipboard here itself. We have Clipboard on the top right. Let's see whether case details list was formed or not in Clipboard. You just see. Yes, you see right. See, in the sense you get in the top itself. Yeah, expand that one. Expand pxls. See, you have 6 pxls. Means 6 cases you have created till now. Okay. You can click on each case. No click on the pxl, double click. Okay, you will get. Okay. If you want any other information related to this case, you can give on that query on OBJ browse. You have right below. You can suppose you want some information of any other thing, like, go to that. OBJ browse query activity. And you can add a plus icon is there below. You have one plus icon. Yeah, you can, click on that. Yeah, you can use customer ID or whatever you want. You can give it here. Customer ID. Again, you click on dot. Is there anything coming? Again, you click on dot. Like, we also have like different conditions also. Not only value only. Yeah, we can write conditions also here, if you want. Suppose, if you are fetching any employee information like employee salary, or fetching salary greater than some 100k or some 80k like that. Yeah. You click on dot again. Which dot? After customer ID, click on dot. Type dot. See, you give a customer ID. What details you need? Account ID, full name, last name. And you save it. Just try running it again and see whether you are getting customer ID details or not on clipboard. Run it. And open a clipboard from the Run window. And check. Case details list.